So this is my first time using QuickTime Videos to try to record a video. It's actually the second. The first time it didn't work. So I just want to go through the solution to this problem-solving problem 5, the one about the sheep. So remember, this is when we've got the two shepherds and we know something about how they're related. I want to break that down quick just so, because I think it's important to the solution. Let's do a little restating. Let's suppose that Alice has less sheep and Bob has more sheep. Okay, then if Alice gets one of Bob's sheep, they'd have the same number. That means that Alice and Bob differ by 2, right? Because if Alice goes up by 1 and Bob goes down by 1, then they're equal. So Alice has 2 less sheep than Bob. Looking at that other statement, if Alice gives Bob a sheep, Bob will have twice as many sheep as Alice. Okay, so this is enough for us to start doing some guess and check, which is my heuristic I'm going to use to finish solving this problem. Let's suppose Alice has 3 sheep. That means Bob has 5 sheep because they're 2 apart. Because of how we're picking these numbers, the second step should always work out. If Bob gives Alice a sheep, she'll be up to 4, he'll be down to 4, they have the same number. Now we need to check what happens if Alice gives a sheep. She would be down to 3, but Bob would be up to 6. That's not what we had in this problem. That's not double. So let's try different numbers. Let's suppose Alice has 4 sheep. Brings Bob up to 6. Bob gives Alice 1, they'll both have 5. If Alice gives Bob 1, she'll have 3, he'll have 7, not double. Okay, let's try one more. How about Alice has 5 sheep, that means Bob has 7. If Bob gives Alice a sheep, they're both at 6. If Alice gives Bob a sheep, she'll be down to 4, he'll be up to 8. That's what we wanted. We wanted Bob to have twice as many sheep if Alice gave him 1. So our solution should be one shepherd starts with 5 and the other starts with 7. Notice the answer to this problem doesn't have Alice and Bob in it because we introduced those to the problem, right? We should go back to the original question, just asked how many sheep must each shepherd have? The answer to that question is one has 5 and the other has 7.